Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and banking tasks to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but incredibly important: how to change your Huntington debit card PIN in 2025. Whether you're updating for security reasons or just want a fresh code, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to grab your smartphone or computer and open the Huntington Bank app or head to their website. Make sure you're logged in with your secure credentials. Think username and password, to keep everything safe and sound. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts or Cards section. It's usually right on the dashboard for easy access. Now, look for your debit card details. Tap or click on it, and you should see an option like Manage Card or Security Settings. This is where the magic happens. Select Change PIN. It's that simple. The system will prompt you to enter your current PIN for verification. Go ahead and type that in to prove it's you. Next up, you'll be asked to create a new PIN. Remember, a strong PIN is key. Aim for something unique, like a mix of numbers that aren't obvious, to protect your account from any potential threats. Enter your new PIN, then confirm it by typing it in again. Double-check for any typos to avoid issues. After that, the app or website might ask for additional verification, such as a one-time code sent to your phone or email. This is just an extra layer of security, so go ahead and complete that step. Once verified, hit Submit or Confirm, and voila, your PIN is updated. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Huntington debit card PIN. This whole process should only take a couple of minutes, but it goes a long way in keeping your finances secure. If you run into any hiccups, don't hesitate to contact Huntington's customer support. They're there to help. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. Catch you in the next one.